자, 쟤들은 지금 공작새와 함께 걷고 있습니다. 어우. 우와, 니네도 만져봐봐. 우와. 오 마이 갓. 옵스. 와우. 안녕. 우리 들어갈 거야 이제. 언니가 사오라는
엄마 왜
그 새.
엄마 얘들 왜
여기 너무 어메이징합니다.
So we got this and actually the other location.
지금 보이시나요?
So yeah, at one point in time we had a big packer and they packed up all the animals. The right smaller ones fighting no problem. Some people were having ferry rides didn't realise what would actually be under their seats on the ferry. But some of the large ones are a bit more difficult. So what they actually did was take their resident elephant and they
Alright, we might move on to our next animal. What do you think we're going to see next? Australian animal, over this way. Also,
Oh, really? Voila.
that is such a great
Alrighty everyone, so this is Thunder for 18 to 20 hours a day. A lot of people think that is because they are getting high off their eucalyptus, but that is actually not the case. So their eucalyptus, they've got a very specialised diet. Eucalyptus is the only thing they can eat. Not only is it the only thing they can eat, but I think there's around 500 to 600 species of eucalyptus. The koalas as a species eats around 20 to 30, but each individual really cool. So they completely evolved completely differently to the No, so these guys are the law.
엄마 땡기면 안 돼.
Someone says what's the biggest
그 찍어줘 그냥 사진을 찍어줘 선생님한테 보여줘 씻어 올리게
Imagine a snake. Imagine a snake. Oh, there it is.
I always hit my
Hey, during my video,
이게 alligator substitute 잘못하면 속도가 되잖아
Okay, that's enough. It's called a snapping turtle. Snap my finger.
alligator
So this is a cool little nesting box we have for them, where they can use that as an option, or they can go up into the trees.
Why do they smell like cactus?
Sorry, Rachel, I feel like
Yeah.
you started talking
I
about
don't think cactus. I did it.
Why do they smell like so they have a
Like pregnant.
They are very strong, very protective. But if you ever see one in the wild, I would definitely see it.
눈을 떴다가
얘가 하마야? 하마가 저 위에가 새끼인가?
새끼야.
어디? 하나 안 보이는데?
머리 위에 조그만 거.
Second. So they are a binturong, a bear cat. They have the body of a bear, but the body of a cat, but the face of a bear. Little 1-year-old Australian sea lion. Her name is Eve because she was born on Christmas Eve. So it's her 1-year birthday coming up, and you can go and check her out tomorrow. Does anybody have any questions about Charlie? Alrighty, I've heard that there is a
Potato.
potato. Yes, correct. Australian sea lion, you've got 30 points now, don't you?
My brother said that before.
Oh, well, yeah, that's alright. You both get a point. Don't worry. That's right. He's an Australian sea lion. Now, does anyone know where they typically come from?
Australia.
I mean, yes. Okay, folks, please make sure your flash is off. Okay, so in here we have one of our 6 Sumatran tigers that we have here at Taronga Zoo. Can everyone see, once you've seen them, let's swap over so my friends at the back can get a view. So can everyone see the stripes